Hey, hi folks, welcome everyone to Sanju's Multiverse. I'm Sanju and I'm here to take you on a journey through a diverse range of content. Before we dive in, let me share a bit about why I use an anime filter. You see, I'm not that much of social butterfly, so I prefer to keep my identity a bit mysterious. That's why I have chosen to use this anime filter. Now, let's get into what you can expect from a channel. I'm an IT employee and I'll be bringing you daily insights into the world of technology from the latest tech trends to behind the scenes looks at what it really like in the IT world. It will cover it all. You will learn about the ins and outs of the industry and how to navigate it safely. But that's just the beginning. I will also be sharing my daily adventures with you, whether I am out with my family, attending functions, going to tours with friends, or exploring new places. You'll be right there with me. Skincare is another passion of mine, so I'll be sharing my routines and tips for achieving healthy, glowing skin. And since I am learning to cook, because of my mother will always say that please learn cooking and all. So I am learning to cook. You expect a plenty of cooking videos as well. Get ready for some delicious recipes and lots of excitement in the kitchen. Of course, staying fit is important too. So I'll be sharing my exercise routines with you. We'll keep each other motivated to stay active and healthy. And remember, this channel is all about you. If there is anything specific you want to learn about IT or any other topic, just let me know and I will do my best to cover it. So sit back and relax and enjoy the journey through Sanju's multiverse. I'm grateful for your support as I embark on this new adventure and I can't wait to share it all with you. Love you all. Love you. And one more thing. సో నేను కూడా ఒక తెలుగు అమ్మాయిని. సో ఇకపై వీడియోస్ అన్ని తెలుగులోనే చేస్తాను. But as this is my intro, I just wanted to tell my intro in English. So that's it. So let us continue from Telugu from tomorrow. Okay. Bye. Until next time. Bye, guys. Bye.